making a really easy recipe. Spicy salmon baked cups with the healthiest ingredients. Spicy salmon is baked in little ham cups for the most delicious gluten-free and low-carb party appetizer or grab-and-go lunch. Come, let me show you how easy they are to make. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description. And be sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.